Off the top tonight, we are tracking Maria. The newly named storm is gaining strength, and this is one we've got to keep a close eye on. Let's get right to meteorologist Luke Doris.
He's in the Weather Center with what we might need to worry about. Oh boy, that's all I could say, Luke.
Yeah, we certainly don't want to hear just, how active the tropics are and this newly developed tropical storm and its track. I do want to start off right off the top and say at this point, it does not pose an immediate threat to South Florida. There's a lot of uncertainty later down the road after we get past day 5. So don't let this necessarily keep you up at night, but yes, we are going to keep a very close eye on it. The tropics as a whole, we have Hurricane Jose. Look at this. There's Tropical Storm Maria, and then we'll start with Tropical Storm Lee, likely to weaken, stay out into open water, poses no threat to land. Back to Jose, likely to remain a Category 1 hurricane as it rolls near the eastern seaboard, but most likely off the coast through at least Tuesday. And then by Tuesday afternoon, weaken down to tropical storm strength. We're going to have to watch it. You can see that west side of the cone approaching the Boston area, and then it goes back out into the northern Atlantic. Regardless if it does approach Boston, or more likely it stays out open into the open waters, I should say, it's going to kick up the swells 12 to 16 feet. And on top of that, the wind field 185 miles from the center of the storm. So it is going to have impacts. Now Maria, it is a tropical storm, likely to be a Category 1 hurricane by tomorrow, strengthen possibly to a Category 3 by the time we get to Wednesday. And its track is a very unfortunate one, posing a large threat to the Leeward Islands, to Puerto Rico, to the Dominican Republic, spots that were all hit very hard by Irma. And a lot of us are looking, here we are in South Florida, look at that track. Is this heading right our way? At this point, again, there's a lot of uncertainty the deeper down that forecast that you go, and it's not looking like Irma. We're this far out even, the models were having it track toward us. We will watch that, but look at this. As you get out into the Lesser Antilles, specifically the Leeward Islands, Antigua, Barbuda, some spots that were hit directly by Hurricane Irma, now under a hurricane watch. Very unfortunate situation there.